Bonjour everyone! Welcome back to Bonjour, Hello, Hola. Today we're looking into some French grammar as we unravel the mysteries of nouns and articles. If you're ready to improve your French language skills, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. In the French language, just like in English, nouns are the building blocks of sentences. They are the names of people, places, things, and ideas. What makes French nouns interesting is that they have gender. They can be masculine or feminine. For example, garçon, which means boy, is masculine, while fille, which means girl, is feminine. It's essential to learn the gender of nouns because it affects the articles that we use. Now, let's talk about articles. In French, there are definite and indefinite articles. Definite articles indicate a specific noun, while indefinite articles refer to a non-specific one. The definite article in English is the. Since French requires you to agree with the gender and number of the noun, there are 3 different versions of definite articles. Le for masculine nouns, la for feminine nouns, and L apostrophe, or an L with an apostrophe, for nouns that begin with a vowel, regardless of the gender. Les is for plural nouns, again, regardless of the gender. Indefinite articles are a or an in English. The French equivalents are un for masculine nouns or une for feminine nouns. As an example, let's take a look at this mom and her baby. Let's say you and your friend Carla are at the park. You want Carla to look at the tree behind the mom. In English, you would say, the tree is behind the mom and the baby. This phrase uses the definite article. So in French, the sentence would be l'arbre est derrière la maman et le bébé. If you were telling Carla a story, though, where there was a tree behind a mom and a baby, you would say un arbre est derrière une maman et un bébé. See the difference? Et voilà! We've navigated the world of French nouns and articles. Now you're ready to tell your friends about all the moms and babies you've seen, especially if there was a tree behind them. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Merci beaucoup for joining us today. À la prochaine!